In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Open the main settings app first and tap into the search option at the top and type in Wi-Fi calling. Have a look at the search results and tap on the Wi-Fi calling option. If you don't see Wi-Fi calling, try searching for just calling. After tapping on it, you may need to tap on the option again to get to the correct page. You should now see the toggle switch, which you can turn on to enable it. If you couldn't find this option, the setting should be within the SIMs or data settings pages, so check through these to see if it's there. That's how to turn on Wi-Fi calling on your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.